in the interest of national security, should also include, okay, should also include in the economic strategy and policy. So both should be done here. Okay, next point, let me continue this. So planning commission is very important, as I said about Niti Aayog, because planning commission was doing all these years the same things, but Niti Aayog has come with something different now. Okay, so now let me wrap this. Okay, so as I said, we are going to the fifth point now. As I've already done is like, special attention should be done, as I said about the national security. So we'll go with the fifth point. So now the fifth is to pay special attention to the sections of our society that may be at risk. So the sections of the society which are at risk, that also should be paid at heed, of not benefiting adequately from economic So to pay special attention to the sections of a society that may be at risk of not benefiting, adequately from economic progress. So that also we should pay attention to, especially to the sections where, completely the money is not going, or the resources. So that also we must take special attention. Coming to the sixth point, so let me wrap this. To design strategic and long term policy. Okay, so long term policy and programs. Okay, so here, so the long term programs and strategy should be done, so that we can monitor and we can evaluate, we can take care of it. So that should also happen, and at the mid course of any project or all, any corrections to be required, necessary corrections are required, that also is the job of Niti Aayog. Okay, we'll come to the next point now. Okay, the seventh one, to provide advice and encourage partnerships. So partnerships encouragement is very important. Partnerships between key stakeholders. Now, who are stakeholders? The one who want to do business, who have taken the risk of the company or of the organization. So they have a lot of money and invested in the investment. So they also, you should bring them also into participation. Okay, so to provide advice and encourage partnerships between the key stakeholders with the nation, with the country, private investors also should participate, and national and international. So we can also not, why only national private holders, we can also invite the international people also to participate, and international like-minded, the people who are having the same goals or the ideas and interest. Okay, so now basically, these are educational. Okay, so all educational and policy research institutions must participate. Okay, so they also can participate, and they should also be the stakeholders with the nation or with the government. Okay, Now the next one, so we'll continue, so because there are lots of points to discuss. So eighth one, to create a knowledge, okay, then we create knowledge, then we create innovation. So to create knowledge, okay, innovation and entrepreneurial support system through collaboration. So what is collaboration? To come and join hands. Okay, so collaboration means joining. Collaboration, community of national and international experts. Okay, then as I said, medical doctors or practitioners, so practitioners should also come and join, and other partners. Okay, so this is like to create a knowledge, innovation, so new ideas and new entrepreneurial support should be their system through collaboration, joining hands with the community and of national and international experts should also participate, and practitioners and other partners also should be involved in giving the knowledge, innovation and techniques of starting a business. Coming to the 9th point, so let me just rub this. Yes, to offer a platform for resolution, okay, of intersectoral, so I'm writing it again, sectoral and so this is having no replacement. So each department has a problem, so there must, so whichever is having a problem, so interdepartmental. So let me just rub this. Okay, yes, so interdepartmental. So intersectoral, we have some sector wise if there is any problem, or department wise if there is problem. So both have to be, we have to have a resolution, or resolution there must be a platform where all our problems are solved. Okay, so whatever is coming, occurrences are coming, so they have to have, all the issues have to be solved in a platform. Okay, so that is called as resolution. Resolution means whatever the solution, we should have a solution for each and every problems which is happening, departmental wise and sectoral wise. Okay, so that is also very, very important. Okay, now the 10th one, to maintain a state of the art resource center of good governance and best practices, okay, along with the stakeholders. Okay, so this also should, you must maintain a resource center. So there is a resource center whenever you need resource. Everybody should have good governance, and all the private sectors and all the stakeholders, they should come, and they they, whenever they want knowledge, they can go to the resource center, and then they can get the knowledge whatever they want. Okay, so there must be always a state of resource center. Okay, that continuous resource and research should be done by Niti Aayog. Okay, coming to the next one. 11, to actively monitor and evaluate the implementation of programs and initiatives. Okay, so now, like, so implementation and what are the programs are going, including, resources. So including, let me write down here, including resources. Okay, so that there is a complete success, okay, and good scope of final delivery. So basically, if you evaluate time and time, and you evaluate the implementation, all the programs are done properly, and wherever the resources are happening, you can initiate the resources, you can say that how many resources you require and all. And so if that is done properly, then definitely there will be a complete success, and the entire final delivery of the project will be done properly. So that is what is the 11th function of Niti Aayog. Coming to the next function, that is the 12th point. So we are almost close now. Yes, the 12th one is to focus on okay, so the 12th one is to focus on technology. So the technology is very important, and that must be focused completely. So to focus on technology upgradation and capacity building for implementation of programs. So this is very clear to understand. You have to focus on technology upgradation, time and capacity building for implementation also should be done. And the last function of Niti Aayog, to undertake other activities as may be necessary in order to further the work of the nation. Okay, so whatever the mentions that you have to undertake, that all these activities or all the 12 functions should be done in a necessary order, in because continuously we have to do this, because our main is to see that there's a complete work done for the nation. Okay, so there must be national development agenda. So let me write down here, national development agenda. Okay, so now coming, let me just wrap this. So now I'll talk about is Niti Aayog versus Planning Commission. So what is like, we can see that the difference here only when we will discuss, so that it will be more clear for you. So Niti Aayog versus Planning Commission. Okay, so now when I'll say the first point, I can just talk about it. Okay,